you can see. Big old complex back of me. Yeah. They want to make you millions of jacks all that, you see it? So we just have to find a way and tap into that. That's what can motivate ourselves and do the right thing, you see me? As a nation, as a people. So, one thing more I want to tell you, don't make them politicians coming on away. Get to the vote, and then afterwards, you see them. Because I think what happen every time election. So, year by year, you're supposed to know that. Say, yo, now is the time to take a stand. You see me? So, I want to let me know one thing. You see me? And this is not about which colour for run the country. You see what I say? This is about who you put the country in, where you put the country in, the right answer you put the country in. Some people are going to get development, some people now build a concrete jungle, even though construction help a lot. You see me? Want some people when not turn the place in a concrete jungle alone. Build some factory for the youth them. You see me? You need the agriculture industry. You see me? Where factories and a lot of things can benefit. Look how much fruits we have a waste about. Look how much fruits we have a waste a good Jamaica. You see me? Look how much fruits. We just want little capital in our pocket so we can know say yo, do something for youth them. Cause me I tell you as a youth myself growing up, reach my age group. Whether in a normal Jamaica, you see me? So I don't know a thing in a normal Jamaica. So people, as I tell you, just do the right thing. Now tell me say one time come to vote, not forget go vote. You see me? Because every man have a right to that. You see me? Because if you don't vote, you don't have a talk, even though you have a mouth. You see me? The thing is this. We all need to hold up your head and know say no. Investment is key. And when we say investment, we not tell about build back a hotel and them things there. Hotel alone can't do that bad man. We need back some free boat and them things there, you see me? Yeah. Them things that we need in our country, G. We don't need something where you know say yo. When one now work, we don't have a next option to turn to. It's a disadvantage to the youth them. When they know they don't have a next option. Otherwise some tourism. See me? Tourism done a lot, yes. And help a lot of youth now. Different way, opportunity. Work. See me, help a youth fly out, Ghana foreign. All the same tourism thing, so. I just focus. You have to focus and know, so yo. Do the right thing, you see me? They have to all away, you see? They have to all away. You see me? Yeah. So I say, we can't do more than what we can do. You see me? We can't do more than what we can do. They have to all away. Yeah. I come there today. A reason. I go there for a while. I want to do this. See? I want to do this. So, all we have to do, just do the right thing. Get the right thing going. I will see where it leads from this, you see? Yeah, my people. I beauty how we have to support. You see? Don't let loose. Because when we do let loose, we see a thing already. See me? Yeah. See? The class man. Tourism them benefit off no bad man. You see me? People them with the horseback riding. Tourism them benefit off. People them at the craft market, tourism them benefit off. Me myself I benefit off tourism. You see me? Because I work with the industry, work in the hotel industry. See me? So, me myself benefit and other people around me benefit save me. But the thing is this, we can't lay away in one basket as what they want to say, you see me? We have to step out of the box, bad man. Too long we've been doing this, you see me? So alone can't help with G. Too long we've been doing this. We are work 17 fucking US dollar for a day. You see me? Not even 17. 1700 Jamaican for the day. So when you check the facts, that's how we are working an hour on a work program. You see me? That's just 1 hour on a work program. When you get the opportunity to go up on them work program overseas. So I want to tell me where the country reach. Even though they claim that we are the first world country and we can't do certain things. So tell me, want to tell me when you think this will reach, Batman. You see me? And we can't continue get $17 for a day. Which in that appear worldwide an hour. You see me? Even though we're in the Caribbean and then say the Caribbean well, pay by the day. You see me? That not really matter, bad man, and we have to change our policy and know say yo, do the right thing for the people. You see me? Cause no joke. We country now benefit from this as tourists. You see me? Cause look how much community there around Rio, Jewels, and a lot of places. Miami Bay Estate and a lot of places. You see me? What them do for the community? Them not do a thing for the community, bro. You see me? Nothing them not do for the community. You see me? Nothing. All of them do them just take on a reap, push back in them pocket. You see me? So all them do take that and push back in them pocket. When they make them millions and they how much? Millions in a US dollar. You see me? So I want to tell me, look at the investment I go. That go back in the white man pocket, in the Spanish man pocket. You understand what I say? The slave driver them pocket. The people them who slave for a longer while. You see me? The people them who come here come make what I call the squatters. You see me? So I want to know what kind of word that to name my people them who live in your country. On a piece of land. Well, when them born and they say them know. Just so they know. And you are come in and come call them squatters. Bad man. Go around if you go around with them style, bad man. You see me? We don't know how to get them the influence from or them the words if you come style people. You see me? The whole of Jamaica, the whole of everywhere as we can say a capture land. So. Bad man. Free up yourself and your mind, man. See me, as the bad man is free yourself from mental slavery, you see me? Yeah, so you must know what you want. I'm out. One way in, one way out.